Hello girls, this is Miss Gasparini with another video for my lovely RPI mathematicians. Today, we are going to talk about comparing numbers. That means looking at which numbers are bigger or smaller than other numbers. And when you're comparing two numbers, you need to look at both the tens place and the ones place. Let me show you what I mean by that. I have two numbers I've made here. I have 14 and I have 25, and I've put the pictures with 14 and 25 too. So I know that 14 has 1 10 and 4 ones, and I know that 25 has 2 10s and 5 ones. So there are three options I have when I'm comparing 14 and 25. When I'm talking about what's different between 14 and 25. So I can say 14 is less than 25. If I say less than, it means 14 is not as much as 25. Or I could say 14 is greater than 25. That means 14 has more than 25. Or I could say 14 is equal to 25. That means 14 and 25 are the same amount. So I want to ask my mathematicians this at home. Which one of these three can I say here? Can I say 14 is less than 25? Can I say 14 is greater than 25? Or can I say 14 is equal to 25? Less than, 14 is less than 25? Well, let me double check that. Let's see. Wow. I can see that 25 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, while 14 has 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, and 4 is less than 5. I can also see that 25 has 1, 2 10s, and 14 only has 1 10, and 1 10 is definitely less than 2 10s. So I think you're right. I think that 14 is less than 25. So when we compare our two numbers, we find out that 14 is less than 25. All right, good job. Let's try another example. So this time, I only put the numbers here because I knew you mathematicians would get it right away. And I'm just going to go ahead and guess. You know what? I see 8 ones here and 0 ones here. So absolutely, what is that? 18 is greater than 20. Absolutely, 18 is more than 20. It has more ones, right? What? Oh, I think I can hear some of you saying I did this wrong. Can you tell me what you're talking about? What did I do wrong? 8 ones is more than 0 ones. 18 is greater than 20. Oh, I need to look at both my 10s and my ones. Okay, let me try this again. So I have 8 ones here and 0 ones here. So that seems the same. But when I look at my 10s, oh, I only have 1 10 here. So only 1 10 in 18. But I have 2 10s in 20. And 1 10 is definitely less than 2 10s. So I think I'm going to change this. I'm going to say 18 is less than 20. Does that seem better? Okay, great. Well, thank you so much for your help and keep working hard. I'm so proud of you girls, and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.